introduce myself. My name is Susi Nurini. Here I will explain the material sampling research methodology. Research steps, research sampling, techniques, sampling, understanding population and sample population, a collection and eternity of members of the research object, the criteria that have been set in the research and research individualing population as the object of research is challenge sample a certain part of the population unit. Research individualing samples as the object of research is to collect samples. Okay, next, advantages and disadvantages of population and sample. Population advantage as data is gathered to be more complete. Conclusion generation of more accurate. Disadvantage requires a lot of resource, cost, energy, time. There is no guarantee that all members of the population can be tracked in the file. A sample advantages efficient use of sources, energy, cost, time. Sample members are easier to record, track in the file. Disadvantage and requires perception in determining the sample. Conclusion generation require colorful analysis and are carried to colorful. Next, research steps in practice. It is very rare for research to apply consensus in the data collection efforts due to optional limitation, so that research more often use sampling techniques. However, it is necessary to pay attention to important things related to selection a good sample. Good sample are representative must be able to represent the population or all sample elements. Sample borders must be clear, can be tried in the file. There is no duplicate sample membership data. Which or more must be up to date, the lasted and the accordance with the conditions with when the research was conducted. Next, various sampling methods. Probability sampling, a sample random sampling, stratified random sampling, and cluster sampling. Non-probability sampling, a sample quota sampling, accidental sampling, and saturation sampling, snowball sampling. Simple random sampling, all elements of the population have an equal chance of being selected, and sample members are selected random by differing use member number as lottery numbers using a random number table. Random number based in members. Requirement for using the sample random sampling method. The nature of the population is homogeneous. The condition of the population member is not to greatly provide an advantage the populator for use is sample. A disadvantage the requirement for using the methods are difficult to meet. Next, requirements for using the stratified random sampling methods. The population has elements of heterogeneity. Clear criteria are needed in making stratification layer according to the elements of heterogeneity that are allowed. The computation of the number of sample members to be selected, probability and proportionally must the be known actually an advantage. All characteristics of a heterogeneous population can be preferences. different question in introduction to the population to be studied to determine the characteristic of heterogeneity in population. Next, cluster sampling. The population is graded in subpopulation in cluster. From the subpopulation, they are further details in smaller subpopulation. Members of the last subpopulation are randomly selected as research samples. Example, a research sample will be selected to examine the average level of income of construction age, and in the city of Semarang, is divided in subdistricts. From the district to subdistrict are selected as the population of sampling. From of the two subdistricts to urban villages are selected as the population of sample 2. From each of the two urban villages, the construction works are selected as such samples. That construction work will be as research sample according to number of strands of selection sample from cluster sampling can be selected through a one-task cluster sampling to change cluster sample. Quota sampling, a method of selecting sample that have characteristic the different amount or quota sample. The benefit of using the internet to improve the quality of the teaching and learning process in certain course will be studied. The researcher determine the quota for each sample, number of students, number of lecture, number of courses, so that a student and lecturer with about the research sample for 3 courses that entails the determine their teaching and learning process, advances easy and fast to use, difference the determining of the sample, the objective for research. Accidental sampling, a sampling method based selecting full happiness to be hermit explained will be research regarding the interest of house fees or shopping and supermarket. Research determining the sample by meeting house fees who happen to be shopping and particular supermarket to ask for their option, motivation, and advantages easy and fast to use. Differences the number of sample may not be responsive because independent only the sample number who are there at that time. Snowball sampling, a method of taking sample by chain multi-level. The ideal sample of determined in small group or members. Each new member is asked to find new members again. Each example, a study will be conducted and student opinions regarding the implementation of the new curriculum at UNB. The sample is determined to be students. The research determined an intermittent sample of student. Each person looks for one other student as look and opinion, and so until a sample of student is obtained. Advanced easy to use different takes a long time.